What's up, everybody? It's me, WWE Biggest Agent Stars fan. Here are the matches for GTS Food in the Fridge.
Thunder Rosa.
Fine,
It's gonna
he
be
wants to
sick.
get beat up again?
Yeah.
Fine.
If he loses the belt, he loses the belt. Good for her. We'll have the first ever female GTS United States champ. That'll be awesome. I did not change it. Guys, let me know in the comments below. Didn't I say the rules clearly? Yes, I did.
You're changing things up. You should.
The first match, the GTS Food in the Fridge ladder match. 6 men will enter Saturday, June 12th. Saturday, June 17, 2018, 2017, 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. Then we have the Junk in the Trunk Fatal 5-Way Elimination Match. I don't know. The winner will get briefcase, cash, and for the GTS United States Championship or the GTS Intercontinental Championship. Then we have El Jefe Rojo versus Thunder Rosa, one half of the Twisted Sisters. Then we have the triple threat match for the YouTube Wrestling Figures Heavyweight Championship. Jerry Krinsky Evans versus Tom.
Unless you want it.
A Chromebook.
Okay, come here, camera.
No!
Come here, camera too.
No!
Wait, you're not recording?
I am.
Oh, right here. I was going to throw that away. You don't want it? Alright. I gotta clean this up. I'll sit back down. Let's go to take this.
Oh crap. Grim versus Jerry Krinsky Evans versus Tom Tsunami in a triple threat match for YouTube Wrestling Figures Heavyweight Championship. Next match, the Intercontinental Championship match against Kurt Bale and Tiny Turd for the GTS IC Championship. The next match is gonna be Doom Crew. Doom Crew, Manabo, and Oliver Close-Offs to get SWAT City and Ace Marksman and Medic W/Soda Pop Smith. And we have Jeff the Killer, Matt on Max. Then, and this match, I have to make my predictions on Pete Corbis versus Cletus in the I Quit match for the GTS United States for the GTS Championship. And who I want to win? I'm picking Corbis. And Thunder Rosa versus El Jefe Rojo. I'm going for El Jefe Rojo to beat Jax.
Where is he?
No.
Hey, Jackson.
Raw Panda. I want our happy roll one.
What's up with this?
What, Jordan's?
What is that?
I don't know.
I'm not touching that. Get the crap out of here. Get this out of here also. Go attack those shoes.
We have Max Frost versus JJ Adams for GTS Hardcore Championship. And who I'm going for? Max Frost. So, yeah.
Put this on there.
Now, let's go to these nuts.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Alright.
I can have it
Yeah.
for SummerSlam.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to these nuts city. These nuts city. These nuts are mine.
How it feels to chew.
These nuts.
New fun.
Got him!
Stimulate your senses.
Get us off some brown. Come on, speak with me. These nuts. These nuts.
These nuts. Ha! Got him! These nuts. Ha!
Letter D starts lots of great words, such as,
These nuts.
these nuts. Hey, Bill. Hey, Daryl. Just raking leaves. Boy, I got something you can rake. These nuts. I'm kind of in the middle today. These nuts.
These nuts.
Got
Got
it.
him.
Nuts.
These nuts. Ha! Got him! Ha! Got him!
What's 9 plus 10? Nuts.
These nuts. Ha! Got him! Ha! Got
I
him!
think I know more about
These nuts.
than you do.
Una vez any American girls.
These nuts. Ha! Got him!
What smells like vanilla bean?
These nuts.
These nuts. In the middle today.
These nuts.
These nuts. Got him. 911.
That's mine.
Got him. These nuts.
These nuts.
These nuts.
A
part of your body that's bigger than it was when you were 16.
These nuts.
Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir.
I got it. These nuts.
These are souls I gave you. These nuts.
2016.
2016, I would love to see.
These nuts.
These nuts.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
These nuts.
Dial again.
When they come, they'll come for you. I have an army. We have
These nuts.
That's right.
These nuts. Got him.
And who do you think you are?
These nuts.
Come on, I'm hosting the VMAs. Paparazzi is downstairs. It's their first time getting a whiff of this.
A whiff of what?
These nuts. Hello?
These
These
nuts.
nuts.
I think you're laying it on a teensy bit thick there, old pal. Huh? Nigga, what?
These nuts. Got him. Say hello to my lips. Got him.
Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho. Tweaking, ho. Run up on it.
These nuts. These nuts.
These nuts.
Got him.
A little itchy. What's this thing made of?
These nuts. Got him. Nuts.
Ask me if I do this every day. I said,
These nuts. Got him.
X during a routine physical exam.
These nuts.
These nuts.
You gave me these nuts.
Got him!
My favorite fall vegetable is
These nuts. Got him!
Hey, bro, what's for dinner tonight?
These nuts. Got him!
Mama. Mama. What?
These nuts. Got him!
Oops, I said, oh, these nuts. I ain't really mean to say these nuts, but since we talking about these nuts, all of you say
Is this the Krusty Krab?
These nuts. Got him! These nuts.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got.
fucked up. Whoever is hitting ain't hitting it right. Cause she act like she need dick nuts.
These nuts.
What you gonna do with
These nuts.
do what do da do what da.
I have had it with
These nuts. Got him!
this motherfucking plane.
I can show you.
These nuts.
What are you doing out here, Fred?
These nuts.
No.
Cause some came in the mail today. These nuts.
Shit, I don't like mystical. Bitch, you bad, bitch, you built like
These nuts.
My God, look at that face. You look like.
These nuts.
When a woman is trying to catch a man named something she pretends to like.
These nuts.
Wait. Who are you?
These nuts. These nuts. These nuts.
Hello, you reached Publix.
These nuts.
I'm in love with these nuts.
Got him!
Oh my gosh, is that?
These nuts. Got him! These nuts. Got him!
These nuts.
These nuts.
trying to see titties, trying to show.
These nuts. Got him!
Who's there?
These nuts.
These nuts. These nuts.
SpongeBob.
These nuts.
I thought of something funnier than 24.
These nuts.
These nuts. These nuts. Got him! These nuts. Got him!
But he gotta eat the booty like.
These nuts.
These nuts.
Got him! These nuts.
Never bothered me anyway. And tell me what you smell.
Hey guys, let me comment below if you want to see me wrestle in my bed with a pillow. I'll do it.
These nuts.
Because I remember I did it on my old channel. These nuts.
What is he gonna win?
Well, Canada Drew, how about?
These nuts.
Got
Have y'all tried?
these
These
nuts.
nuts.
How many licks does it take to get to?
These nuts. Got him.
Right now, lick it good, lick it
These nuts.
just like you should my neck.
Cause some came in the mail today.
These nuts.
These nuts.
I'm so fresh, you can suck my
Nuts. Got him! Got him!
My God, Becky, look at.
These nuts. Got him!
when I need motivation. My one solution is
These
my
nuts.
Nuts.
I'm just gonna shake, shake,
So yeah.
shake, shake, shake.
These nuts.
So yeah, let me comment below
When preparing
if the next video and subscribe for more and bye.